If you don't like the idea of using hormones, putting them inside your body, taking a pill every day, if this feels like too much, you can use natural methods. This means paying attention to nature's signals of what's happening with your body every time you ovulate. There are things that happen at a very subtle level, and if you pay attention, some women are able to avoid pregnancy by natural methods. First of all, you would need a calendar. You sit down and you start paying attention to all your days of the period when they come every month and start to calculate the length of each cycle. By this, you'll be able to predict what is the likely time that you're ovulating. Generally, if you have a 28-day cycle, you're ovulating around halfway between the two periods, which is around day 14. Then, a few days before that and a few days after that, you need to avoid intercourse completely. This is because you're fertile at this time. Right around the time of ovulation, your body temperature can change. And if you start paying attention to your daily basal body temperature every day of the month, when we say basal temperature, we mean check it before you get up in the morning and step out of the bed, and you will start to notice a pattern of how the temperature changes through the month. Again, keep a chart, 2 to 3 months, take it to your doctor. They may be able to work with you and guide you which are your fertile days, and again you have to avoid intercourse during those days. The third option is called cervical mucus method. The woman, her womb has a cervix, which is the opening of her womb. It's up inside the vagina. From that cervix, every month, there is a little bit of discharge that comes. It's natural, it's normal. As she goes through the days of the fertile period, pattern of that cervical mucus starts to become more loose and more flowy. The nature's way of designing so that the sperm can easily enter. So this means she's very fertile in those days. On the other days in the month, the cervical mucus is more thick and more sticky. So some women have been able to figure out which are the days when she's very fertile just based on the cervical mucus. Again, these methods have a much higher failure rate. So I would not advise you to follow these. If you need something more reliable and more guaranteed, your best bet is a birth control pill. After understanding the side effects, talking it out with your doctor, making sure your medical history is clear. You can use birth control pills so long as you've not had any children. That's the best option. Once you may have had a baby, you can talk to your doctor about an intrauterine device. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.